Just got home from work. These LoGest Hand Grip grippers just came in. They were waiting for me. I got these off Amazon. I think these were less than $60. I don't know why I'm thinking $58. Compared to the Captains of Crush, these are obviously much less expensive. So I thought I'd give them a try. And here they are. They go from 100 to 150, 200, 250, 300, and 350. There's 6 of them in here. And I've done the 150 and the 100. And gotta tell you, for the price, they're really good. So what is it, 100? It's the first unboxing, and I haven't even opened the others. But I definitely recommend them. As long as, I'm thinking they should hold up. And the knurling, I guess somebody said the knurling wasn't really intense, and that was a complaint. I like it. I think it's enough. For the price, I don't think you can beat these. So I didn't see many reviews on the LoGest, if that's how you pronounce it, grippers. So I thought I'd leave just a quick review. They all have, you can see the designated weight on one of the handles of each. And so, yeah, buy them.